For nearly 5 decades, Voyager 2 has been silently drifting through the cosmos, carrying humanity's message into the stars. But now, something unexpected has happened. Its instruments picked up a strange signal, something moving out there in the vast darkness. And here's the shocking part. It's not a planet. What exactly did Voyager 2 detect? Is it a plasma wave, a rogue object, or something far more mysterious? Let's dive deep into what NASA is saying and what they're not. In the late summer of 1977, humanity cast a message in a bottle into the cosmic ocean. On August 20th, Voyager 2 lifted off from Cape Canaveral, Florida, embarking on a journey that would redefine our understanding of the solar system. It was the first of a twin mission, launched 16 days before its sibling, Voyager 1. Both probes were designed to capitalize on a rare celestial alignment, a once-in-176-year event that would allow a single spacecraft to visit all 4 of our solar system's gas giants. This was the Grand Tour, an audacious plan to explore the outer planets in a single, sweeping voyage. While Voyager 1's trajectory was optimized for a close look at Saturn's moon Titan, Voyager 2 was set on a longer, more challenging path. This unique trajectory gave it the distinction of being the only spacecraft to ever visit all 4 of the outer gas giants. It swung by Jupiter in 1979, revealing active volcanoes on its moon Io. In 1981, it flew past Saturn, its gravity assist propelling it onward. Then it ventured into true terra incognita. In 1986, it gave humanity its first ever close-up look at Uranus, discovering new moons and a tilted magnetic field. 3 years later, in 1989, it reached Neptune, capturing images of the great dark spot and supersonic winds. Each flyby was a triumph of engineering and navigation, a gravitational slingshot maneuvering the probe perfectly for its next encounter, before finally being flung out towards the void. After its planetary mission concluded, Voyager 2's journey was far from over. It continued to sail outward, a silent sentinel reporting back from the fringes of our solar system. Today, it is an almost unimaginable distance away, over 12 billion miles from home, a number that increases with every passing second. For decades, it travelled within the heliosphere, a vast magnetic bubble inflated by the solar wind, the constant stream of charged particles flowing from our sun. This bubble acts as a shield, protecting the planets from the harsh environment of interstellar space. But on November 5, 2018, after a 41-year journey, Voyager 2's instruments detected a dramatic change. It had finally punched through the outer boundary of this bubble, a turbulent region known as the heliopause. It officially entered interstellar space, the vast, cold expanse between the stars. This region isn't empty. It's filled with a tenuous soup of plasma, gas, and dust forged in distant supernovae and ancient stellar nurseries. The environment here is denser, colder, and carries a different magnetic field than the one inside our solar system. Voyager 2 became only the second human-made object to enter this new realm, sending back unprecedented data about the true nature of the galactic frontier. It is now a lone explorer, drifting through the cosmic wilderness, a place we've only ever observed from afar. Recently, NASA scientists analyzing Voyager 2's data noticed something unusual. Its plasma wave detector, an instrument that measures the vibrations of charged particles in space, picked up an odd signal. Instead of the usual background hum, there was a burst of movement, a wave, a disturbance, something shifting in the cosmic plasma, and according to the readings, it was moving in a way scientists didn't fully expect. Here's what we know. It wasn't a planet. Voyager 2 is far beyond the solar system. The last planet, Neptune, is billions of miles behind, so whatever was moving, it's part of interstellar space itself. Some suggest it could be a dense plasma cloud drifting through the void. Others think it might be the echo of a stellar explosion from light years away. But there's also speculation that Voyager may have caught something far stranger. So what could have caused this strange hum from the edge of our solar system? NASA's official explanation points to a phenomenon that is both powerful and entirely natural. The position from the Jet Propulsion Laboratory is that Voyager 2 likely flew through a natural plasma wave. To understand this, we need a quick physics lesson. Most of the visible universe isn't solid, liquid, or gas. It's plasma, the fourth state of matter, a superheated soup of charged ions and electrons. The space between stars is filled with it. Voyager 2 is currently navigating a cosmic shoreline called the heliopause. This is the turbulent boundary where the solar wind, a constant stream of charged particles from our sun, collides with the cold, dense interstellar medium. These collisions can generate massive shock fronts and ripples in the plasma, much like waves on water. Scientists believe the spacecraft simply detected one of these waves washing over it. Data from Voyager's Plasma Wave Science instrument shows a distinct increase in plasma density consistent with this type of event. It's not entirely unprecedented. Both Voyager 1 in 2012 and Voyager 2 during its 2018 crossing registered similar plasma oscillations. For the mission scientists, it's nothing to worry about, just another fascinating example of cosmic weather. But not everyone is convinced by the cosmic weather report. An alternative theory, while less mainstream, captures the imagination. A few researchers wonder if Voyager didn't just sense a wave, but the wake of a passing object, an interstellar visitor. We know such objects exist. In 2017, our solar system was briefly visited by Oumuamua, a mysterious, cigar-shaped body that tumbled past the sun at incredible speed. Its bizarre shape and slight acceleration, which couldn't be fully explained by gravity, left scientists with more questions than answers. If such objects are indeed abundant, it's statistically plausible that Voyager might eventually cross paths with one. The spacecraft wouldn't see it with a camera. Instead, its instruments would detect the disturbance it creates. As a solid object moves through the thin interstellar plasma, it would create a subtle wake, a compression in the charged particles around it. What Voyager's instruments registered as a hum could have been the signature of one of these silent travelers passing by in the dark. Then there is the most tantalizing theory, the one that ventures from science into science fiction. Some go even further, asking a profound question. Could this movement be artificial? Could something have noticed Voyager? It's a compelling thought, especially when you remember what Voyager carries. Bolted to its side is the Golden Record, a message in a bottle containing greetings, music, and images from Earth, cast into the cosmic ocean. The record is a symbol of our hope to connect. If we can reach out to the stars, could something out there reach back? It's a romantic notion, but one that faces steep scientific hurdles. The signal itself lacks the complexity of an intelligent message. It was a monolithic increase in plasma density, more like a sudden noise than a structured conversation. Most importantly, the detection was a local environmental effect. Voyager didn't receive a transmission. It sensed a change in the space around it. It was less like a phone call and more like a ship on the ocean feeling the swell from a distant, unseen storm. While the idea of a first contact scenario is thrilling, the evidence points overwhelmingly toward a natural, if still mysterious, cosmic event. Whatever this was, it proves one thing: interstellar space is not empty. It's filled with plasma, cosmic rays, magnetic fields, and possibly objects we've never seen before. Voyager 2's data helps scientists map this mysterious region, and each reading could reveal a new secret. And yet, the idea that something moved near Voyager sparks our imagination, because in the silence of interstellar space, even the smallest disturbance feels enormous. In the face of mounting speculation, NASA remains cautious, officially calling the detection just another plasma event. On the surface, it's a standard classification, a tidy label for a complex reading from the edge of our solar system. But to truly understand what that means, we have to journey with Voyager 2 into the realm it now calls home, the interstellar medium. This isn't the empty vacuum of popular imagination. It's a tenuous, dynamic soup of charged particles, or plasma, shaped by the death of ancient stars and the magnetic breath of the galaxy itself. These particles can be disturbed, creating ripples known as plasma waves, much like the surface of an ocean. These waves are expected. They are the background noise of the cosmos. But after 48 years of exploration, after giving us our first breathtaking glimpses of Uranus and Neptune, and after becoming only the second human-made object to cross the heliopause in 2018, Voyager 2 continues to surprise us. The signal it detected was stronger, denser, and more persistent than the models predicted. So, did it simply record the natural, albeit unusually powerful, heartbeat of the galaxy? This is the leading scientific theory. Perhaps a distant supernova sent a shockwave rippling through the medium, and Voyager 2 was simply in the right place at the right time to record its passage. This would be a monumental discovery in its own right, giving us unprecedented insight into the structure of our cosmic neighborhood. Or did it brush against something we can't yet explain? The data is tantalizingly incomplete. The anomaly doesn't perfectly align with our understanding of simple plasma waves. This opens the door to more speculative, yet scientifically grounded possibilities. Could it be a previously unknown structure, like a magnetic filament or a dense interstellar cloud, interacting with the spacecraft's instruments in a new way? For now, the answer is hidden in the stars, locked away in the telemetry, being sent across 12 billion miles of darkness. Voyager 2 drifts onward, a lonely traveler carrying the questions of its creators. It is a testament to human curiosity, a tiny speck that has fundamentally changed our place in the universe. It reminds us that with every boundary we cross, the cosmos presents us with deeper mysteries. Voyager 2 is a lonely traveler, but perhaps not as alone as we once thought. What do you think Voyager 2 really detected? A natural phenomenon, confirming our models of the interstellar medium, or evidence of something more, a new piece of the cosmic puzzle we have yet to place? Share your thoughts and theories in the comments below.